Alright everybody, so today we're going to be looking at a review on Chemical Guy's Tire Kicker Tire Shine. Extra shiny tire shine, dry to the touch with UV blockers. Enhances bright wet shine, restores brand new look for interior and exterior. Alright, so it says directions here: shake well, clean surface before application, spray on applicator pad, gently work on the surface, remove any excess using a microfiber towel, reapply as needed, safe for use on vinyl, rubber, and plastic surfaces. Okay, so tire looks good, and I'm gonna go over it. I'm gonna do half the tire here. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. It's about 85 degrees outside right now, so this is like a super easy product to use. Since it's water-based, I would actually spray it on the wheel. Since it's not hurt anything, add a little bit of shine to it. But there we go. Would I use this product? I don't know. It's drying, but as you can see, it looks pretty good. Looks pretty good so far. Alright, it doesn't smell. It doesn't really have any kind of odor to it, but I would definitely use some gloves. All right, so this says does not attract dirt or dust, buff off any extra for durable protection, deep black sign on any trim pieces and tires. As you can see, it's drying pretty good. It's drying pretty darn good right now, and it's leaving a pretty good shine. So you're seeing this in real time. It's about 85 degrees out here in Florida, and got that beautiful Florida sun, got the birds chirping outside. And as you can see, it looks pretty good. It's a pretty good product, and I'm assuming, since you could use it inside and out, it's a water-based product. So as you can see, it's drying up pretty good. Not wiping anything. We're gonna look at ease of use on this product. That's the number one thing that people look for in a retail product. You want to buy something, you want to get something that works quick, easy, to the point. You wash your car, you shine it up, you want it to look good, you hit the road, and you don't want any extra hassle. So, is this product good? Well, you're seeing right before your eyes in real time, this tire shine is drying right now with this water-based formula that Chemical Guys has. So, all right, y'all. I think that pretty much sums it up. Hope you enjoy. This has been a review on Chemical Guy's Tire Kicker Tire Shine. Hope y'all enjoy. Be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell for new videos just like this. See you on the next one.